Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing the Aphogee two-step protein treatment on my hair. I'm just giving you a quick spin so that you can see the current state of my hair. I've experienced some thinning over the past few months, so if you would like to see how I apply this treatment, continue to watch. So to start with, we have our protein bottle. This is the first step to the protein treatment. It helps to stop hair breakage and rebuilds hair structure. They've included a 2-page set of instructions for you. They're user-friendly and easily read. And now we have our moisture balancer, which will help to restore moisture back to your hair and soften and provide shine. Now I have my wide tooth comb on one side, and then we have the smaller side, but I will be using the wide tooth. I have a clip to help section off my hair, and now I'm going to begin. I'm sectioning my hair off into 4 sections to make it easier for me to apply the treatment. And it doesn't have to be perfect, whatever works for you. And I'm going to leave that 4th section out so that I can get started on it. Now I'm going to apply the protein treatment to my hair. And it's very slippery, so you have to be careful while using it, as you can see. And you can apply a generous amount to your hair. I wanted to make sure that I sectioned my hair off so that it was evenly distributed throughout my hair. You are going to start at the top where the root is, and then you're going to work your way to the end of the strand of your hair. Continue to just work in that treatment into those hair strands. And as you can see, I'm just shingling it through. Now I'm going in with my comb to make sure that I get the protein treatment all over each strand of my hair. Just a little bit more. I want to make sure that my hair is nice and treated, because I need my hair to be a lot thicker than what it is. Over these past few months, I've gotten caught up in flat ironing my hair just a bit too much because I have a finer texture of hair, so I really have to restore it back to health, and I think this is going to be the treatment to do it. She told me love don't live here anymore.
but I'm not gonna take her word for it. When it all comes down to your heart, you know that love gon' take you away, alright. So while I wait on your touch, I'll write these songs to describe my love. Girl, it all comes down to you and I, and you're the only one I want by my side. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. Oh, I love you, wherever you are. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. They'll never take my heart. It belongs to you, queen, it's yours. Don't worry about the time.
That's what she said. Yep, that's what she said. Every time I come around, she acting shy. She be looking good, she be looking fly. She told her mama that I make her feel like she don't need all that makeup, she don't need no weed. A little lip gloss, yeah, that's all she need. She keep it simple indeed because it make her feel. She never eat fast food cause it make her sick. Only meat and potatoes, yeah, that girl she thick. No surgeries over here, so you know she feel. When we out in the street, she don't need attention. She ain't out here making scenes, she don't need auditions. I'm her #1 fan, so I hope she really